Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to add a contact form to your Shopify homepage. First, we'll access the Shopify dashboard. Then we'll click on Online Store on the left. On the Themes page, we'll find our theme and click Customize. The Store Customization page opens. Adding a contact form is simple. On the Edit page, we'll go to the left. The side menu shows all sections of our homepage. We'll scroll down to find the Add Section button. Let's click on it. A menu with various block options for our store will appear. Further down, you'll see an option called Contact Form. We'll click on that. And when you click, it'll automatically be added here to our homepage. By default, the contact form doesn't have many customization options. However, what we can do is change the title. So here in the title, you can put whatever you want. I'll change the title to, for example, Need Help. So Need Help, Get in Touch will be my title. Below, we can adjust the title size. You can set it to small or even very large. I'll keep the default, which is medium. You can change the colors. You can pick colors for the background and blocks or choose any color you think looks best. You can also edit the padding, both the top and bottom padding. With that done, the form will now be added. After creating the contact form, go to the top right and click the Save button. Once clicked, changes are saved and the contact form is added. Now when accessing our store, the form will appear where you placed it. In the contact form, people can edit their name and email. They can add a phone number if desired and leave a comment. I've created an example text here. The person will fill in these details and click send. After clicking, it'll say, "Thanks for contacting us. We'll reply ASAP." You'll get an email with this message in your Shopify inbox. I'm now in my inbox for the email I set up in Shopify. Here I got a message saying new customer message with the date and time. Clicking it shows all customer info, name, email, phone, if set, and comment. You can reply to this email or contact them via the provided email. Here's the message your customer sent. Now you have a working contact form in your store. I hope this video helped. Bye.